okay if I call you my pride, baby. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you rise at the top, baby. She wants Chanel, yo, I'm only doing cash, guys, need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4.
Hi Fly Babes, welcome back to my channel where we cover everything beauty, lifestyle, and inspiration. If you are new, hey girl, hey. If you are just joining me, welcome. I would love for you to be a part of the Fly Babes crew. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button so you will not miss a video when I upload. Okay? Y'all, my head is like killing me. I've been working a lot, just got off work, all that good stuff. And I need to show y'all this new Boxy charm box. Side note, I just realized like when I went to sit down that my nails, they kind of match my new do. And don't worry about my locks. We quarantine over here, baby, okay? No, but let's jump right into this Boxy charm unboxing. I hope everybody is doing good during this here struggle with this pandemic. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Boxy charm, you get 5 large products for $26 dollars, and they give you the little card in here that has all of the items and the full price if you want to purchase them at the store. So we're gonna go through here. First item is the Porefessional Primer. I have used this from the Benefit. It minimizes your pores. A lot of people like rave about this. Like, I haven't used it enough to really know if it's like my jam. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool. It's cool. So I will use it, let you guys know. I've used it twice, but still it was like for me to like record something and take it right off. So this here is $32. It retails for $32. And like I said, it minimizes pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone under or over your makeup. It contains vitamin E, known to protect skin from free radicals. So $32 and the box is $26. So you already got your money back. The next is the Elmas Superfood. This is a Sika Calm Hydration Juice. It says it's a super hydrating gel. So I'm all about the hydration, and yeah, so let's see. I like their packaging too. Like, I received a few things from Boxy charm from them, and I like them. This retails for $48. $48 for this. But their products are really nice. I can't even lie. I haven't really tried anything that I haven't liked yet. This is loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. This vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. Now, I don't have dry skin. I wouldn't say it's super early. I do have combination skin. But depending on what I cleanse my face with, it does dry it out. Like, it's weird. But yeah, so I'm all for hydrating. Because, you know, I love like that dewy look anyway. So, okay. The next is these Lavish Brushes. This is a 5-piece neon eye brush collection. And it's cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes that you'll need for every day. These retail. Are you ready for this? Let me show you the packaging. So when I bring these out, you know how much these retail for. These are $29.99. They feel really nice, but would I spend $30 for eye pencil brushes? Probably not. Well, I'm lying. Okay, because I have. Okay, so retract that. Never mind. Never mind. But these are, they cute. They cute. This is the fine liner. I would prefer this to be skinnier. You could line, you know, do your top liner with. This is the brow pencil. You got the angled and the spoolie. You can never have too many of these. This is an eye shading brush. Perfect to get underneath the eye or in, you know, if you're trying to get something real detailed. This is a pencil brush. Also, again, underneath or in the tear duct. It's perfect. And this is a tapered blending brush. So, you know, get right up in that crease. So, $29.99. Okay. The next thing is the original makeup eraser sunset. Now, I didn't even open nor look at this because I wanted to open it with you guys. So, it's the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. In the world, Craig. In the world. Erase all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium patented polyester featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as a suction for dirt, makeup, and oil. This retails for $22. I'm put it to test when I wash off this makeup. Step-by-step card of how you use this. And they also gave me a 20% off coupon if I want to buy another one. If it works well, I may just do that. So this retails for, I said, $22. And last but not least, we have the Hank and Henry Beauty Sponge Bundle. These beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile. All over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet or for sheer application or dry for a fuller coverage. $20, Hank and Henry. Let's see how they feel. Hank and Henry. No, I wasn't ready. Let's see. It's a little bit more dense. I kind of like my sponges to be a little softer, so, but I feel like if you wet this one, it won't be too bad. We'll see. And it's got the little one. And those are $22. So that was this month's BoxyCharm, April BoxyCharm box. I know my plan was to I'm going to come back and show you guys what this makeup eraser will do. So I'll record that tonight, and I'll use the Superfoods hydration gel. Yeah, and yes, that is it. $26. I love BoxyCharm. Every time I think I'm gonna cancel, I'm like, they keep me coming back for more. But anyways, I hope you appreciate this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that notification button so you do not miss any new uploads. We are adding an additional day during the week too, because right now I only upload on Sundays. My next upload day will be on Wednesdays. So, well, I'm still debating because I used to do Beauty Talk Tuesdays, so maybe I'll go back to that. If you guys like Beauty Talk Tuesdays, let me know. Then we'll upload every Sunday and Tuesday. Tuesdays, Beauty Talk Tuesdays would be just talking about products or just anything beauty related. I talk about it, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, until next time, you know my motto: slay and be beautiful, arrive and leave your stamp. Bye.